everyone, Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the USB pen drive read and write copy speed test between the Realme X7 Max versus the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, friends, so I do have the iQOO 7 and the Realme X7 Max. So let's see which phone will be having the faster read and write copy speeds by using the Type-C pen drive. So this is a Type-C OTG pen drive which I got, and which is a 2-in-1 pen drive, friends, which is really convenient way to use nowadays to copy from the phone and copy and paste in the laptop as well. Instead of dealing with this kind of old style adapters, these are really good. And make sure to check the links in description in case if you want to buy this kind of pen drives. So before starting this read and write copy test, you should know one thing is that both phones, they do have the USB Type-C 2.0, as you can see, friends. So USB Type-C 2.0 versions, you can clearly see here, the Realme X7 Max and the iQOO 7 smartphone. So what it means is that you will be getting really very read and write copy speeds when compared with the OnePlus 9R device. Yes, friends, OnePlus 9R and OnePlus 8T and OnePlus phones, they do have the really faster read and write speeds. So in case if you want to copy the data from the hard disk to the mobile phone or mobile phone to the hard disk, it will be really faster. So how faster means, in the OnePlus phone 1 GB file takes 5 seconds. In these two phones it will take close to 30 seconds. So let's see, friends, I am gonna do same thing. I'll be copying the 1 GB file from the pen drive to the mobile phone and from the Realme X7 Max to the pen drive. So let's see how much difference we can actually expect between both the smartphones, between the Type-C 2.0 and the Type-C 2.0. That is what my main motive of doing this video. In case if you want me to compare with the Mi11X or OnePlus 9R device, so do let me in the comments below. I can do that for you definitely 100%. But most of the viewers, they did request me to put compare between these two phones. That is the reason particularly I did select the iQOO 7 mobile phone. So before connecting the device, the pen drive to the Realme X7 Max, so in case if you don't get any kind of notification, so make sure to go to the settings and turn on this option which is available. This is called the OTG connection, so which will be automatically turning off for the 10 minutes if you don't use. So that is the reason, try to turn on first. And one more thing, friends, I'm trying to use the third-party file manager application, which is the CX file manager application. And the reason is that the iQOO 7 doesn't have any kind of default file manager. The iQOO 7 actually is using the Google's file manager. So that is the reason I thought of using the default third-party file manager, which is a CX file manager, as you can see. So in both phones, I'll try to use the same kind of file manager only. So here is a USB storage which got detected successfully. Let me try to tap on this one. I'll try to select one video which is of 1 GB file. So 1 GB size. So let me try to select this video which is of 1 GB. Which is a 8K video, which is available in my Telegram group. Try to join in my Telegram group and you can download the 8K video directly. And let me try to paste in the phone storage. So let's see, friends, how much speed. So will it be detected? Let me try to and paste in this notification. I'm trying to paste it. As you can see, the speeds right now I'm getting about 27 and as you can see 27, 26 in this Realme X7 Max. As you can clearly see, friends, X7 Max I'm trying to use only, and you can see the speeds. And this application is really useful in terms of seeing the speeds and in terms of seeing how much time it took as well. So that is the reason I'm trying to use this application. 29 Mbps, as you can see, 30. So it reached maximum to 30 and it took about close to 30 seconds, 31 seconds, 32 seconds. So 32 seconds of time the Realme X7 Max has taken to copy. So I think 32 seconds, friends, as you can see here. So I did written in small chart, so which will be very much easy to remember as well. So 32 seconds in the first test. Let me try to do the same thing. I'm trying to copy from the phone to the pen drive. So let's see what will be the speeds if you try to do in that way. Let me try to go to the same kind of file manager which is present here, CX file manager. So let me try to go to the main storage. I'm trying to copy the same file, same video I'm trying to copy, as you can clearly see, friends, same video I'm trying to copy and going to the home. I'm clicking the storage and trying to paste in the pen drive. In this pen drive, paste. So this is not the actual speed, so don't get happy with this kind of high speeds. So what is happening is that usually it will go to 99% and then it will stop every time. So now you need to focus on the time, how much it took to completely copy. As you can see, friends, how much time it has been taken to completely copy. So let's see, I think usually it will take for 1 GB size, as I just said, 30 seconds. It will take for the 1 GB size, not much. Usually 31 seconds, 32 seconds, 33 seconds, 34, 35 seconds, 36, 37, 38 from phone to pen drive. As you can see, this much of time it's taking in the Realme X7 Max. So 43 seconds. So 45 seconds, I think 45 or 44, somewhere around that. Maybe I'll try to write down the 44 seconds. As you can see friends, so from pen drive to the mobile phone it took about 32 seconds, and from phone to the pen drive it took about 44 seconds. So let's see now what will be the results in the IQ7 smartphone. So whether the IQ7 will be having the higher speeds or not, so we'll get clear idea with this kind of test if you perform like this. Let me try to connect to the IQ7 device. As you can see friends, right now as soon as I connected, it did detected in the CX file manager application. Let me try to first open the USB. So I'm trying to open the USB. Right now it did open, and let me try to select that 1 GB file, copy. I'm trying to copy, go back to the home page, going to the main storage, and I'll try to paste in one of the folder. Any folder doesn't matter. Let me try to select this folder, and I'm trying to paste here. Let's see what will be the speeds. As you can see the speeds, so if you remember, the Realme X7 Max has got speeds of 27 Mbps, and same speeds we are getting in the IQ7 as well, same kind of speeds. So in the finally it did reach up to 30 is the maximum reached by the Realme X7 Max, and it took about 32 seconds. As you can see friends, 32 seconds in the Realme X7 Max. And let's see in the IQ7 device how much time this IQ7 phone will be taking to copy the same file. So 29 seconds, 31 seconds, 32 seconds, it did cross 33, 34 seconds. As you can clearly see friends, 34 seconds of time it took in the IQ7 device. So slightly 2 seconds more, that's not a big deal. For 1 GB file, it should not be that much problem. So 2 seconds of difference is there. Let me try to copy the same file I'm trying to copy. Go to the home storage, go to the USB, and I'll try to paste in one of the folder, maybe in this documents. Let me try to paste it here. So same thing friends, the speed will be increasing high, but that's not the actual speed as I said. So it will stop anyway after 99%. So now try to observe the time. So in the OnePlus 9R and the OnePlus 8T, few of the OnePlus mobile phones, it will get just copy in matter of seconds. So, and it should also depend upon the type of storage device what you are connecting. You cannot expect that kind of high speeds even in the OnePlus by using the small read and write speed storage. This pen drive is not capable that much of speeds. So maybe this kind of hard disk, so 2 TB Type C to Type C hard disk is quite compatible with that kind of high speeds in the OnePlus 9R. So I can do that video in case if you are interested, definitely friends. So right now it's 40 seconds, 41 seconds, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yes, that took more time. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, as you can see, 53, 54, 55. It took a lot of time. Then the Realme X7 Max, as you can see, 57 seconds, something like that. 57, I think so. I'm not sure exactly. I did not see. So 57 seconds. I'm trying to write down the time. As you can see, friends, these are the overall timing difference between both phones. So 32 seconds, 34 seconds, 44 seconds, and 57 seconds. So now you got a clear idea which phone has got more read and write, much better read and write copy speeds. So both phones kind of slightly close to each other, because you cannot expect much difference. In case instead of if I add the OnePlus 9R, then you will be noticing friends, really that's an amazing having the Type C 3.1 as a future-proof option, which I do feel a lot of users should also consider that kind of options as well, having as a future-proof. So even these manufacturer companies, they should start implementing USB 3.1 in their storage, in their mobile phones. So that is what they should do. So thank you for watching this video friends, and these are results if you're trying to copy from the pen drive. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.